This is this is what security for the apartments.
I'm not sure how this is gonna
Oh
work with
wow,
this dog.
Yeah, we're already monitoring around the area.
that's dope. Okay, well
Yeah.
I'm gonna walk by you.
We'll be parking now.
Hey, where's building B at?
Sorry?
Where's building B?
Now, I'm gonna tell you why this is a problem. Because now the accountability factor, who does that rise on? See, when you had the situation that happened with Mike Brown, Tamir Rice, you could point to somebody and say, well, this is who did it. Much like there was a brother up here and he was unalived by some federal authorities in Uptown. I forgot the brother's name, but it was a couple years ago. I think I'm gonna put this in the video as a piece of I'm comparing notes. I'm saying if a Fed officer unalives you, a lot of times you don't know who they are. So now these things are going to have even more autonomy with not being able to tell you what happened. You want to know, okay, who was the officer? Who was the person behind here? This is a template for disaster and its intention. So now, who is the person behind this board? What's their name? We don't know their name.
Can you repeat that? Sorry.
Where is building B?
Building D?
B. B as in boy.
B as in boy. Can you follow me?
Okay.
Can you follow me? So now he's following the dog. He's following the dog right now. He's a security officer.
Alright, if you can see that building right there, beside the
Here's a bigger question. Are they going to be able to outfit these things with weapons? It's very easy for them to do so. They can mount those weapons right there.
that's building B.
Okay. This is what security for
Y'all, I'm telling you, there's nothing constructive that's going to be about this. I think there was a movie, I believe, on Hulu. It was a series, and it's based on like a lot of sci-fi stuff. I can't remember the name for nothing, but they had an actual episode that was talking about this, and I don't remember what the name is. I'll try to find it before I post this. So, what's y'all's thoughts? Do y'all think this is constructive? Do you think anything's good gonna come out of this?